Hi guys, welcome to the channel once again in another brand new video. In this video today we're gonna be solving out the new MCQ set by the GoTranscript. In today's date, today is 17th of October 2022, and we will be also solving out the audio test as well. So before we start, I have a request from you guys to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so you never miss any update, and do like my videos. Alright, leave me any suggestion in the comment section, and if you guys want, I can give you my WhatsApp number or the email address so you can contact me. Without wasting time, let's get straight into the business right away. Here we go. And like always, I would suggest you guys to follow the guidelines first of all, because we can find each and every answer of the question over here while transcribing the audio and while solving out the MCQ section as well. So let's move to the first question, which is for the full verbatim, and they are asking full verbatim includes slang words, speech errors, stutters, filler words, false starts, repetition. So what we can do is just copy that thing full verbatim, go to the guidelines, press Ctrl F and press Ctrl V. Then we're gonna find the answer for that. Here it is. Under this section, text format description, we have full verbatim, and what they are saying over here is the text is transcribed exactly as it sounds and includes all the utterances of the speakers. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what basically they are saying that we need to transcribe each and every word or thing which the person is saying in the audio. Okay, so the right answers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What does it mean? It means that we need to select A, B, C, D, E, and F. All of them are correct. Second question is a transcriber should italicize. Let's just copy that thing, go to the guidelines again, paste it over here, and we will see the rules for that. So italicized film, book, magazine, song titles, as well as networks, plays, TVs and radio programs, foreign expressions, etc. And there is no need to italicize social media sites, company names, the Bible, books within the Bible, versions of it, or other sacred writings. So let's move to the question and see what options do we have. We don't need to do that. We don't need to do that as well. Neither the Bible. So the right answer is TV and radio programs, foreign expressions, and song titles. The third question is which sentence is written correctly? If I have never forgotten my mother's advice. I have never forgotten my mother's advice. Advice. So it's advice. I have never forgotten my mother's advice. I have never forgotten my mother's advice. So 1, 2, these are the wrong options. We cannot choose this one as well. So the right option is A. I have never forgotten my mother's advice. Number 4, which sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated? Okay, so yes, comma. Anna is a noun, so first letter should be capital, then full stop. You can do this. That's wrong. There is no comma, and that's also wrong. So the B option is correct here. That is an old question. I met Dash in Lithuania. The right answer for this is B, Jane. Number 6 is what is considered as a filler word in full verbatim. So let's go to the full verbatim again and just copy the filler word. Okay, so we are under the tab of in the full verbatim, and let's see the filler words are these are the filler words, and what we have kind of sort of, I mean, And what options do we have in the question? Gotcha. So right is C, kind of. B and C are the right options here. As you guys can see that in full verbatim, the filler words are these. These are the filler words. We're going to this number 7th question. I dash wanted double dashes. I have dreamed of becoming a musician. So double dashes are used in incomplete sentence. I'll copy just this thing. I'll go over here. There we go. I wanted, I have dreamed of becoming a musician. Okay, so let's move to the question. We don't have here, instead we got So as you can see that here there is a comma after I, and at the end of, before we have a comma, and at the end we have a comma as well. So it means that our right option is C. C is the right option here. Number 8 question, dash good friends. Okay, so I guess they are false start. Let's see for the false start over here. False start. False start we are trying to find here. Okay, in the clean verbatim, the transcribed text does not include speech error, false start, stutters. You can see that unless they add information. Okay, obviously the right option here is C, but we can add this as well, because if we start the sentence they are good friends, it do make sense. So A and C are the right options here. Number 9, longer speeches should be separated into the paragraphs of. These are the options, so we can just look for the longer speeches rule over here. Longer speeches should be separated into smaller paragraphs. Paragraphs shouldn't be longer than 500 symbols, about 100 words, or 3 to 4 lines in transcription tool. So the right option is 3 to 4 lines, about 100 words, A. And the last thing I have been telling in my videos that we shouldn't be using AI. If you are using, make sure you are just getting the help. You are not relying 100% on AI based software like Otter. Okay, Otter is just a thing which can give you an idea, but you have to make the transcription correct by yourself. In this way, you won't be breaching out the GoTranscript advertisement, which they are, advertising on the website that we provide 100% human-based transcriptions. So we should, stay in the limits. We should follow the guidelines. So the right option over here is B. A is the wrong option. Alright, let's make sure we have selected the options in every question here, and let's hit the confirm button to see if we have selected the right ones or not. There you go. We have passed the MCQ section, and I guess this should be the old transcription. And let's just listen to the transcription first.
Is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Okay, well, Steve, I'd like to ask you how your day was. I understand you had some problems with a machine. Could you tell me about it while I do the dishes?
Alright guys, as you have listened that this is an old audio, and many of my fellows are struggling to transcribe it, so I have tried to make it 100%. Let's just copy it and go to the transcription tool, paste it over here. The first rule over here is always bold the speaker labels like this, and do not start your transcription in the new line. This is a very major rule of GoTranscript. If you do this, even though your transcription is 100% correct, they're gonna mark you as failed. Okay, and I'm gonna make every speaker label bold. Then we will be listening out to the audio, and we will try to find out the mistakes, right? One of my friends have already I've been telling you in my videos that my friend has passed um, the test by using this transcription, which I'm displaying to you guys right now. But still, we will try to find more mistakes if we can do that. I have seen many people, they just use the author, they just copy and paste from author, and they say that it's gonna work for you. But I can guarantee you guys that gonna mark you fail if you do the same thing. They're just doing that for the sort of getting, for the sake of getting the views and the subscribers. If I can pass the test, everybody can do that, and I'll be sharing my knowledge with you guys, so you can also start making the money. All right, now let's just listen to the audio and try to find the mistakes. Here we go.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Okay, well, Steve, I'd like to ask you how your day was. I understand you had some problems with a machine. Could you tell me about it while I do the dishes?
Guys, did you listen? She said, or these kind of stuff we cannot add in clean verbatim. We have to transcribe this audio as per the clean verbatim without time stamping. Okay, so we cannot add or these kind of things, right?
Just start talking.
So, well, between the balancing machine, we found out.
So there was a background noise, I have mentioned it, and there was a silence as well, which was for about 4 seconds. And as per the rules, we need to mention the silence area if there is. It shouldn't be less than 4 seconds, and it shouldn't be more than 10 seconds. So there was a gap of silence for 4 seconds. So I have mentioned silence over here in the brackets.
That the load sensors on the left side and right side both work by swapping the cables. But the indication on the screen still shows no load values in grams on the left side. I inspected the circuit board to see if there was any loose connections on it that will maybe it's the current loop.
So there was inaudible stuff as well, which I have mentioned here. Okay, these are the little things we need to take care of in order to pass the test.
Load cells that maybe have open connection, but normally it'll show an error and the signal won't actually show you anything. This is trying to show us something, but it's not the correct value. And then coupled with that, the timing on the weight imbalances now is going to show me about 90 degrees off axis from where it should be. So if it's supposed to be 0 degrees, we like 12 o'clock.
So Steve said here he spoke B for 2 times, B for 2 times, but we need to mention it for only one, we need to write it for single time, because as per the clean verbatim, repetitions are not allowed, right?
At 0 degrees or 12 o'clock, we put the imbalance weight there and it shows it at 90 degrees instead of at 0. And if I put the weight at 90 degrees, it shows it at 180 degrees, etc. So there's a definite problem with the calibration on that.
So here we got D 2 times once again, but I'm keeping this because this was an incomplete sentence. Okay.
So we need to get Hoffman America out there to do a calibration on the units. They'll at least look at it, but since I think the data acquisition board is having a problem, we've actually looked on eBay and found one at a low price, but it's an early revision. And it would still need to be calibrated regardless.
Let me interrupt you to ask you a quick question. How much do you think that this might cost the company?
Well, to get the service tech out, they quoted us $4,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so here is the mistake we need to remove because if speaker is saying we need to convert it into the OK, right? So what we will be doing here is we're gonna do this, remove it. That's the correct thing.
And the board might be, I don't know, 2,000, 2,500 on top
Okay.
of the service tech coming out. So,
So you know, Steve said, I don't know. We don't need to mention that over here. And the board might be, I don't know, 2,500 on top of the service tech out. So we don't need to mention the I don't know stuff. It should be clean. The transcription should be clean since we are transcribing this audio as per the clean verbatim style, right?
$6,500, $7,000 by the time you're done.
Wow. I could buy a nice used Toyota, huh?
Yeah,
Maybe.
you could. Actually, some places you can get a nice car for that price.
Yeah.
Still working.
A Celica or an Edsel.
An Edsel?
Yeah.
Working? Maybe not.
Well, you know, we can dream, can't we?
You know, to dream, possible dream. Finding a car that works for $8,000.
Well, nine out of 10 car lovers would love to have an Edsel in working condition, so I've heard from Jay Leno's Garage.
But I didn't hear that report. I'm sure I'm not one of the 9 out. I must be the 1 out of the 10 that doesn't. So the 9 other people that do.
That could be. Well, thank you for telling me all about your day, and I'm sure that the future transcribers of GoTranscript will appreciate it as well.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
That's it, guys. So we have 90 plus accurate transcription over here, and I hope this will help you and you will be passing out the test for GoTranscript and start earning the money. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, you can just leave in the comment section. If anybody need this transcription in written form, you can contact you can contact me in the comment section as well. And one more important thing is never copy and paste the things from Word document, PDF document, or from any website. Don't paste it directly in the transcription tool, because the AI system running in the background, it's gonna detect and you will be failed, right? So always use the notepad, because that's a thing which can defeat the AI system of GoTranscript. That's it, guys. And once again, do like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. Have a good day.